Alright, today I'll be talking about the difference between an AI agent and Langchain code, okay? Many people tend to over-explain things. I'll get straight to the point. An AI agent in N8N lets us connect a model, different types of memory, and a tool, okay? All this through a trigger, which is no different from Langchain, alright? So what's the difference? Well, the difference between an AI agent and Langchain code is that we could customize the AI agent as much as we want instead of it being fixed. So let's select it. We're going to click add input, okay? What type of input? Well, for example, a language model. Now I also want to add memory and, for example, a tool. So we have language model, memory, and tool. See? Sounds familiar? We literally have the same setup right now. What's the difference? Here I can add N1, meaning infinite connections, okay? If I now connect Anthropic, right? Now I'm going to connect Google Gemini, for example. Perfect, it's connected. Now I'll connect ChatGPT too, so I have 3 models linked. This works through code that runs each message on different models. It depends on the specific use case, you see? Here you send a message, got it? This set underscore LLM underscore index basically defines the index type to use once a message is received. We use ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, 4.0 OpenAI, or 1, improving the model as we go, okay? Here we have a variable that lets us switch models through code by adding a language model. Believe it or not, this is a Langchain, okay? We also have the option to generate a polite response, alright? This is where the response is validated. If the first model, OpenAI 4.0 Mini, can't validate the response, we say, hey, increase the LLM underscore index. The LLM underscore index is increased, okay? Then we move on to OpenAI 4.0. Doesn't work? Then we try O1, okay? And so on. If none work, we simply return an error, alright? So this is basically one way we could approach this, okay? For instance, generating responses, switching models, validating answers, right? This isn't impossible with an AI agent, but it's more complex. It would need to be done in a more detailed, less condensed manner, you see? We're talking about adding models and tools, but beyond that, you can add even more. Like a string or a document, you know? You can add docs, text divisions, vector stores, and other tools, got it? So Langchain is clearly about customizing AI, and that's the main difference.